Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can trade future in Binance, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on futures just down below on the screen where you can see BTC USDT. You can click there and choose any coin for trading. And I'm assuming you guys are beginners, so make sure you keep your position to isolate this on the screen so that you don't lose your all balance. And keep your leverage 10x so that your amount be safe from liquidation. Now at right side you can see 0.00 USDT. Make sure you have a balance before trading. You can click on there and transfer it on your futures. And keep market as it is. Adjust the total percent of USDT for your trades on in the screen. Let's say 50%. And finally click on buy long or sell short and you'll be able to take a trade. So basically this is how you can take a future trade in Binance, and if you still encounter any issue during the trading process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with all latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.